Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies and during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset, and first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. And after you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face, and of course once you see it, press the middle button again to open the menu. Now you can scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. And in settings, find the option called the system, and once you find it, select it, and here you should see the option called reset, and once you find it, tap on it, and then tap on the checkmark to confirm and start the resetting process. And after a couple of seconds, the process should be complete, and you should see this welcome message, which means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.